Hello and welcome to Secrets of Tax Lien Investing. In today's tutorial video, we're going to talk about the cold hard facts in regards to tax lien certificates. So question number one, what is a tax lien certificate? Now, tax liens are the enforcement method used by the government for the collection of property taxes. So tax lien certificates or tax liens are a lien against real property, so some form of real estate. Now, tax liens can be offered to investors that are willing to pay off a delinquent property owner's property taxes. Tax liens will pay an investor a rate of return, but they also give the property owner a redemption period or a time frame to repay the taxes. Now, tax lien certificates, they have foreclosure rights. If the lien is not paid back within that redemption period, then the tax lien certificate holder can foreclose on the property and become the new property's owner. Now, what are the interest rate returns I can earn while investing into tax lien certificates? Now, tax liens can earn different rates of return. It's really going to be based on the specific tax lien certificate. Now, the state maximum and minimum can vary from state to state. It's usually going to start at about 10% and it can go up to around 24%. Now, the bidding is going to start at the maximum bid, and then it's usually going to bid down from there. So the lowest bidder or the lowest bid will win the tax lien certificate. So is tax lien investing hard? Well, if you can send an email, if you're watching this video now, then you can purchase tax lien certificates. The first thing you need to do is to learn the basics. Learn how the tax sale system works. Learn how bidding strategies work and different bidding methods. Now, once you've learned the basics, then you're going to learn how to use county websites so you can navigate and review property records. Once you know how to review property records, know how to review individual properties, then you can start investing into tax lien certificates. Really, once you do those three things, you can go out there and start earning great interest rate returns on your money. Now, is it possible to lose money on tax liens? This is a question I get all the time, and the answer is yes. It is totally possible to lose money while investing in tax lien certificates. And I'm sure you're asking the question, how? Well, first of all, without studying the strategies. If you go and start purchasing tax lien certificates without doing any investigative work beforehand, before you've learned how counties conduct their auctions and the bidding systems they used. So the first thing you need to do is learn the basics. How the county conducts its auction, why they conduct the auction, and how that system works within that individual state. Then from there, you're going to research the property. When we're purchasing tax lien certificates, we're purchasing a lien against a real piece of property. So that property is really collateral for the tax lien certificate. And that property value is our security. If the property has a good value and we're purchasing a tax lien certificate on that property, our money is not only protected by the state law and that tax lien, but it's protected by the property value itself. So if we purchase a tax lien on a single family home or a building lot, that tax lien certificate is protected by that actual property. And usually the property value is going to be quite a bit more than the tax lien certificate. So how do I purchase tax lien certificates? Well, there's really four ways to purchase tax liens. First is by purchasing at a live auction. This is where you go down to the county courthouse, you bid against other bidders, and you purchase tax liens right there at the county courthouse. The second way is through online auctions. This is something that's really taken off over the last couple of years. There's many different companies that offer online auction tools and online auction websites that we can use to purchase tax lien certificates. The third way to purchase tax liens is by a method called over-the-counter, or OTC investing. This is where you can purchase tax liens that have already been offered at an auction but didn't get purchased and now are available directly from the county. So you can purchase tax lien certificates that you're not going to be bidding down that interest rate for purchasing an over-the-counter tax lien. So when you go to a state like Florida and purchase an over-the-counter tax lien, you're going to be making an 18% guarantee on that tax lien certificate because you're purchasing it over the counter. And the last way to purchase tax lien certificates is to invest in the secondary market. We talk about the secondary market on the website. You can go to the website and review about secondary market tax lien investing if that's something that you're interested in. So another question is, how do I get started? Well, the first thing you want to do is to learn the basics of tax sale investing. Once you've learned the basics, you can choose an investor profile. The investor profile is going to help you determine what state you'd like to invest into. There's many different strategies when it comes to tax lien investing. And so we've put together different profiles that'll help you determine what type of investment strategy you'd like to pursue, and also where you can invest using that strategy, which state you can invest into, and then from there you can pick a county and a list to get started with. Now, once you start researching the list, you're going to find potential investments. You're going to go through and evaluate these individual properties. You're going to make sure that they're good investments, they have good property value, and then you can go ahead and purchase those tax lien certificates either at a live auction, through an online auction, through over-the-counter investing, or through secondary market tax liens. So where can I go to learn about how to invest in these tax lien certificates? Well, the real answer is you can go to secretsoftaxlieninvesting.com. For a limited time, you can go ahead and register and sign up for a 30-day free guest pass. This is going to give you unlimited training to the website training, to the auction list, to the live webinars, our eBooks, our video library. All of the tools that are available on Secrets of Tax Lien Investing are going to be completely available to you. All you need to do is go to the website, put in your name, your email address, fill out some basic information, and you're going to go ahead and register for that 30-day guest pass. You're going to have complete access to all the tools, and hopefully we're going to see you at the webinar. Thank you and have a great day from Stephen at Secrets of Tax Lien Investing.